Hey friends, this is Memo Bot. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of copy trading and learning how to set up the Trojan Bot. Let's get started. Trojan Bot is a Telegram bot that's super easy to set up. It takes less than a minute. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, to add the bot to your Telegram account, just click the link in the description below. Make sure you're using the correct link to avoid scams. Once you've opened the bot, simply click on Start to begin. This will bring you to your Trojan Wallet dashboard. At the top, you'll see your Solana address. If you tap on it, it'll copy the address to your clipboard. Easy, right? The first thing you need to do is add some funds to your bot, because we can't trade without funds. I've already sent 0.2 Solana from my Phantom wallet, and as you can see, my balance has updated from 0 to 0.2 Solana. Next, let's adjust the settings. Head over to the Settings menu and select Turbo for the speed. Then, go to Buy Settings and change the buy slippage to 30 or 35%. I recommend setting it above 30% because transactions sometimes fail with lower slippage. It's best to test and find the right slippage for your needs. For the automatic buy settings, I'm going to adjust the amounts. Instead of 0.5, 1, 3, 5, and 10, I'm setting them to 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, 1, and 5 respectively. I'm also going to do the same for the sell settings, changing the sell slippage to 35%. Don't forget to enable MEV protection for both buying and selling. I've also enabled trade confirmation and chart preview so I get a link to DEX screener whenever I buy a token. Additionally, I've turned on P&L, profit and loss, values. In the wallet section, you can view your wallets and either create a new one or import your Phantom wallet or any other wallet. Copy trading setup. Now, let's move on to setting up copy trading. In my previous video, I showed you how to search for profitable wallets. Today we're using a wallet I've been monitoring for a few days, which I checked through Memo Bot. To set up copy trading. 1. Choose a name for the wallet you're copying. Let's call it Test. 2. Insert the wallet address you want to copy. 3. Customize the entry amount. You can set a percentage, but I prefer using a specific amount for testing, like 0.1 Solana. 4. If you want to automatically replicate the wallet sales, check the Yes box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked if you want to sell manually. 5. Set the buy and sell gas fees to 0.075 each. This can help speed up your transactions. I recommend experimenting with this to find what works best. 6. Set the slippage to a range of 30–55%. If transactions aren't going through, try increasing the slippage. 7. In the Advanced Features tab, set the minimum market cap to above $10,000, $15,000. Finally, click Add. Congratulations! You've just added your first copy trading wallet. Be cautious though. Sometimes the trader you're copying might try to drain your funds. It's a good idea to test with 3 to 4 wallets that you can monitor and control. If you ever need to pause all copy trading, just click Pause All. If you want to pause just one wallet, like our test wallet, simply click on it and mark it as inactive. Buying tokens manually. Let's switch gears to buying tokens manually. Since I have Solana in my wallet, I can buy whatever I want. To do this, just click on Buy, enter the token symbol or address you want to purchase. For example, if I want to buy Michi, I just type in the ticker symbol Michi. After entering it, you'll see some information about the token. If I want to buy 0.1 Solana worth, I can just click on 0.1, and the bot will handle the rest. Keep in mind, these trades are very fast. There's no confirmation prompt, so make sure you're certain before clicking. Under the Positions tab, you'll see any open positions, like our Michi position. If you want to sell or buy more, you can do that right there. Withdrawing funds. Lastly, let's talk about withdrawing funds. To withdraw some of your Solana, click on Withdraw. Choose the network you want, Solana or Ethereum, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then, set the withdrawal address to your Solana address, and that's it. The tokens will be sent to your Phantom wallet or whichever wallet you're using. Thanks for joining me on this journey through copy trading in the Solana ecosystem. To make your trading even more efficient, give the Memo Bot on Telegram a try. It's designed to simplify your strategies and offers real-time analytics. The link to the bot is in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.